Mount Lu in Jiangxi province is famed for its scenery and as the birthplace of many well-known figures in Chinese history. After living in seclusion for 20 years, Zhu Xi returned to public life as prefect of Nankang Military District. The demands of his new role, however, did not put an end to his educational mission. Although months had passed since the survey of the old site of White Deer Grotto Academy, there was still no reply from the imperial court to his petition to restore the academy. Zhu Xi thus decided to raise funds himself. From the white walls, grey tiles and tranquil yard of today's White Deer Grotto Academy, we can get a sense of how glorious it was during its heyday. In the year 1180, under Zhu Xi's leadership, the White Deer Grotto Academy reopened. By this point, more than 20 schoolhouses had been built and over 20 students enrolled. Before teaching commenced, Zhu Xi wrote to a new friend, Lu You, who was in charge of Jiangxi province, asking for some Confucian classics. Lu You responded right away with offers of support, and with that, the Neo-Confucian master and a significant poet of the Southern Song, united by common ideals, began a friendship that would last until the end of their days. But there was something else that Zhu Xi needed to do before he could get the school up and running, to distill the essence of Confucian ethics to guide his teaching. The result was Precepts of the White Deer Grotto Academy, a work that would guide his educational mission.
朱子是把他读的中国的典籍，就孔孟的经典，把它浓缩变成白论书院学规。这个白论书院学也反映朱子自己本身对于教育的一个基本的信念。
In Zhu Xi's opinion, the top priority of academies was to cultivate integrity, lofty character, and practical skills. Precepts of the White Deer Grotto Academy retained its place at the heart of Chinese academies for more than 800 years.
从此以后，朱子的白鹿洞书院的揭示，就成为中国历代书院的纲领。历代书院的办学的纲领，基本上都是按照朱子的白鹿洞书院揭示来做的。
它总共分成5条嘛。第1条，为学的目的，就是摘录自《孟子·离裸篇》啊，它里面讲什么？就讲父子有亲，君臣有义，夫妇有别，长幼有序，朋友有信。这5条用我们现在的话来讲吧，就是最重要的5种人际关系。所谓学者，所以学为人也。
Zhu Xi believed that the ultimate goal of academy education was to train talented people who could spread Confucianism, give assistance to people, and be of great use to the country. To this end, his academies would have to be flexible and innovative. They would have to be very different from the official academies. With that objective in mind, that summer he issued inviting successful candidates in the imperial exam to the White Deer Grotto Academy to study Confucian classics.
他就把这些他南康军所有的举人都召集起来，都是次年春天去参加进士考试的，集中培训。用我们现在话来说，应该是用的什么补习班，还是提高班？但是他这个可能最主要的训练还不在于技巧，而在于他用理学的思想理念来做。认为在他看来，科举和这个书院并不是矛盾的。
他这样一个做法是非常聪明的，因为跟他朝夕相处，他就把理学的朱子的这种理学的理念传播给他们，把他的知识的理念传播给他们，让他们去传道济民，让他们代表了朱子，把他的理学的思想，把他的文化的理念 把他的教育理念传到全国各地。